We are very focused on integrity and having something done right the first time. In this condo, probably about 5 or 6 of our technicians came in and did their expertise. Drywall to texturing to painting, carpenters to install the cabinets. We scraped all the ceiling, put up the crown molding, all new trim, new baseboards. You can go to our website, click on Meet the Team, and you will actually get to know these individuals. When you add up all the carpenters and the tile setters, 350 years of experience within one company. I mean, that's just, I feel very blessed to have that. It's very important that the homeowner's very happy when we're done. And again, if it takes a few extra days or maybe an extra week to make that work out, then we're going to do that.